Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. We are the group 13 or reporter number 13. I am Lara Wishan Bijasim together with Mena Moharia. So our topic is all about impact of government spending on economic growth in the Philippines. Government spending plays a big role in helping the Philippine economy grow. When the government uses money wisely, it can improve people's lives and boost the country's development. So, yun na nga, yung pag-suspend ng government is nagpe-play siya as a big role na makatulong siya sa economic growth ng Pilipinas. So, pag ang government is hindi kurakot at ginamit nila sa maayos at maganda yung pera, na-improve nito yung mga tao o yung buhay ng mga tao, nabuboost niya yung development ng country. So how government spending affects the economy? Number 1 is more job and income. When the government spends on building roads, bridges, schools, and hospital, it creates jobs for many people. So yun na nga, sinabi ko kanina, pag yung government is maayos ang pamamalakad, is pag nagamit nila ng maayos yung pera at na-build nila sa mga project like yun na nga, roads, yung mga bridge, yung mga schools, hospitals, everything is nag-form yun ng trabaho sa mga tao. So, nakakatulong yun sa economic growth ng Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin, nagkakaroon ng mga trabaho yung mga tao. Nag-open siya ng more jobs sa mga tao. Number 2 is better education and healthcare. Spending on schools, hospitals improves the skills and health of people. So, dito is pag yung government is nag-spend sila sa education, sa education, yung project sa education is mas nabibigyan ng pag-asa yung mga kabataan na makapagtapos ng mga mag-aral at matututo sila ng mga skills nila na magagamit nila in the future. Also, yung sa healthcare, no, pag nag-spend yung government more on sa healthcare is mas mapapadali yung pag ng tao sa hospital, paglapit nila, which is kung meron silang karamdaman, mas mapapadali, and at least, may chance na gumaling sila. So, in the future, di ba, mas karaan yung kanilang buhay.
A pleasant to each and everyone. I am Moharia S. Manang from BSC 2A. So, number 3, helping the poor. Program like 4Ps, Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino program give cash to poor families to help them buy food, send their kids to school, and get health care. So government spending help reduce poverty thought program like 4Ps Pantawid Pamilya Pilipino program. This program give cash assistance to poor families so they can buy basic needs like food, send their children to school to get health service. This support help break the cycle of poverty and give children a better chance at a brighter future. Number 4, fighting economic slowdown. In hard time like during the COVID-19 pandemic, government spending helped save job and business. During difficult time like the COVID-19 pandemic, the government increased spending to support job, businesses, and essential service. This helped many people keep their job and allowance small business to serve government spending act like a shield protect their economic from getting worse. And that's all po.